Daily Dems, doing the work, making noise, and fighting back, day 44. Senate Democrats had their weekly press conference. Today, it was Schumer, Klobuchar, Booker, and Durbin. And you don't have to watch the whole thing, but I would watch Klobuchar and Booker. They were on fire. Freshman Sarah Elfreth introduced her first bill. It's called Protect Our Probationary Employees Act. And 2 Republicans are co-sponsoring it. Do you know how hard it is to get Republicans to admit that Doggy's doing something wrong? And Chris Van Hollen is introducing it in the Senate. And of course he spoke at this press conference because he manages to speak at everything in DC ever. Jason Crow went on right-leaning podcast Someone's Gotta Win with Tara Palmieri, and he was phenomenal. My favorite part was when he talked about what it means to represent Aurora, Colorado, while DT is berating it. Sarah Jacobs and Brittany Peterson filed a discharge petition with Republicans Mike Lawler and Anna Paulina Luna because Johnson refuses to bring their resolution to the floor that would let parents proxy vote for up to 6 weeks after their child is born. If the petition gets 218 votes, the resolution goes to the floor. I am very confident it will. And Sarah Jacobs went to Guantanamo Bay with a bipartisan group from the Armed Services Committee. Her statement is far and away the best. Ed Markey spoke at the No Kings in America Rally for Democracy at Colonial Theater in Pittsfield, Massachusetts. Really phenomenal. And as you know, EM called Mark Kelly a traitor yesterday for going to Ukraine. So Mark Kelly posted this video in response. Not only is his language strong, but his tone is strong and his stance is strong. He's making it very clear you don't want to mess with him. And those are just some of our fighters today. Just know that for every story I do talk about, there are at least 5 others that I just didn't see. Our voices are a superpower, but only when we use them.